Hello friends, Namaste. Welcome to Vandana's art class. We are going to learn an acrylic painting. For that I have taken 300 GSM acrylic sheet. Also I will be using these paints. As you can see, some are Pabio, Stadler paints, some are Fevicryl, Omi Strong, Camel acrylic colors, Liquitex. Here it is Graduate Companies colors. So all these colors I will be using. Here Camlin Artistic Acrylic Color 335. This is the one. Then I have Graduates Acrylic Paint Corellium Q 130 number here. I have Graduates Pabio's Studio Color 357 here. I have Pabio's acrylic paint here and Liquitex Basic Acrylics color here. So these are the colors which we are going to use for the base. I'm mixing the colors. I have added little water. My part is almost ready and so till now we have done the background and the clouds. Now we will draw the Kaner plant with the leaves. So please look at my hand, and my suggestion is to draw on a rough paper, and then you can use yellow carbon and transfer it. Okay, so let me start with the stem. To make the flower, I have taken baby pink. Then this is red, Fevicryl's red. And these two are pink colors, Fevicryl's sparkling pearl color. This is Fevicryl's pink color. Okay. So I'm using these. If you don't have, don't worry. You can use any other color also. So let's start. First coat and white color, of course. First coat I will give little bit of white. See, strokes are very small and I'm trying to cover the white black color pen ink. darkest shade inside, then second darker, then third one, again. We can change the order of colors because very thin brush. This is 000 brush, and in the center we'll draw one line. It won't be visible now, but once it will dry, then you can see clearly. If you have this green with you, nothing, no problem. I don't have, so I'm mixing. In light green, I have mixed yellow color, made it more lighter. Paper will absorb this color, and then it will look like normal yellow. In the center also, we'll give touch of little yellow color. Some pollen will show here and there. They won't look separate. They will appear as if it is one leaf with different shapes. Once this is dry, then wipe your brush and use this very light green and draw one line in the center. Okay, now let me show you one bird also. So bird will have 3-4 colors. Use 000 brush. Use darkest color. Then second color. And then third color. Try to mix them. It should look natural mixing of colors. Once again, I'll show you a bird. See here. This is another bird. So, darkest color. You can show darkest color on one side. And then slowly you bring down the tone. Thank you for watching my video. Please follow Vandana's Art on Facebook and Instagram and YouTube for more videos. Thank you. Namaste.